Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like the person staring back at you was a stranger? Or worse, someone you have been quietly taught to dislike? I know how heavy it feels. I know what it is like to carry the weight of not feeling like you are enough. To walk into a room and wonder if you even belong. To lie awake at night, replaying every mistake, every awkward silence, every single time you felt small. But I want you to hear this, and I need you to let it sink deep into your soul. You are not broken. You are just exhausted from fighting a battle inside your own mind. Welcome to Bloom Within. Today we are not talking about toxic positivity or forcing a smile when your heart is hurting. We are talking about healing. We are talking about 10 small, quiet promises you can make to yourself every single day to slowly rebuild the beautiful soul that you are. Number 1, the morning grace. Before you touch your phone, before you let the demands of the world rush in, take one breath just for you. Wake up and silently say, I am allowed to take up space today. Do not start your day by checking how everyone else is living. Start your day by acknowledging that you are still here, you are still trying, and that alone is a massive victory. Number 2, the mirror promise. This is the hardest one, but the most important. Walk up to a mirror, look yourself directly in the eyes, and stay there. Do not look at your flaws. Look at the eyes that have cried so many tears, the eyes that have seen so much pain, and silently say, I am so sorry I have been so hard on you. We are on the same team now. Number 3, the gentle numb. Self-esteem is born in the moments you choose yourself over the comfort of others. Today, find one tiny moment to say no to something that drains your spirit. You do not have to set yourself on fire just to keep other people warm. Protecting your peace is not selfish, it is survival. Number 4, forgiving your past self. You are holding on to mistakes made by a version of you that simply did not know any better. A version of you that was just trying to survive. Every day, consciously choose to forgive yourself for one thing in your past. Whisper it if you have to. Say, I did the best I could with what I knew, and I release you. Let that heavy baggage go. Number 5, celebrating the invisible victories. Society tells us to celebrate promotions, marriages, and wealth. But what about the days you felt like giving up, but you got out of bed anyway? What about the days you washed your hair when the sadness was suffocating you? Celebrate those. Give yourself credit for the silent battles you win every single day that absolutely nobody else knows about. Number 6, moving for joy, not punishment. Stop using exercise as a way to punish your body for what you ate or what it looks like. Move your body today simply to thank it. Stretch your arms, go for a quiet walk, feel the air in your lungs. Your body is not a masterpiece for others to judge. It is the gentle sanctuary that has kept you alive through every single bad day. Number 7, curating your digital sanctuary. Unfollow every single account that makes you question your worth. If looking at a screen makes you feel like you are falling behind, cut the cord. Your mind is a sacred garden. Stop watering it with poison and expecting beautiful flowers to grow. Number 8, the internal whisper. Pay attention to the voice inside your head. When you drop a glass or make a mistake, do you call yourself stupid? Would you ever speak to your best friend the way you speak to yourself? Today, when the inner critic gets loud, interrupt it gently. Say, I am learning, I am human, and I deserve gentleness. Number 9, writing down your light. At the end of the day, when the house is quiet, take a piece of paper and write down just one thing you are proud of yourself for. It does not have to be massive. It can be, I was kind to a stranger. I drank water. I survived. When you feel worthless, read that list. Let it be the absolute proof that your light has never actually gone out. Number 10, the hand on the heart. When the anxiety hits, when the self-doubt screams, place your right hand over your bare chest. Feel that rhythm, that heartbeat? That is purpose. That is a rhythm that says you have a reason for being here. Breathe into that hand and say, I am safe, I am worthy, I am exactly where I need to be. Building self-esteem is not an overnight magic trick. It is a slow, beautiful, sometimes very painful process of falling back in love with yourself. It is choosing yourself day after day, habit after habit. You have spent so many years being your own worst enemy. Isn't it time you became the love of your own life? Take your time. Be gentle. The flower doesn't force itself to open, and neither should you. Just keep watering your roots. Thank you for being here. Thank you for existing. Remember, no matter how dark it gets, you always have the power to bloom within.